Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video. So in this video we are going to learn about the how we can display the block while we click on the list item, how we can redirect to another page, and how we can display the block. So in the Django there is another thing that's URLs like this. Okay, we can see in the code. So first of all we have the block here, so we have one another URL for which so you need to pass the URL name. So okay, so we redirect this page. So URL for, so and what is the ID of that URL? So that's the blog dot ID or pk. Okay, so we can see that's work. Okay, it's got the so page. Okay, now we need to just fetch this block with the ID, and we need to just fetch this block with ID, and also we need to display the whole block in the page. So first of all we are going to use, and we are clearing this. So try, which has the, so we need to just open the block. So block dot objects dot get, we need to get only one block. That's why I am applying the only one. ID equal to ID, which is in the parameter. So that block is completed. So if there is any exception, then return, sorry, that's typo, return redirect to this slash, means the in the home page. Okay, and if there is no any exception, then return render the request. First argument is request, second argument is the page blog admin dot slash which page name show.html, and the third argument is the data which we are binding with the views. So block, as you can see, that's the block. So we have complete our middleware, means our business logic in the views. So now we need to go to our page, and we need to fetch this data. So here I am copying this whole things here. So we are just getting this. So we can see that here is the list group. We don't need any list group. So in the bootstrap I am in the component, I am in the jumbotron. So we need a jumbotron. Okay, jumbotron, not a jumbotron, sorry. So in this jumbotron, if there is a block which is passed with the URLs, then we need to display the block. And if so if there is a block, then we need to here pass the blog title, and here we need to pass what is here. So here we need to pass a content of blog. So blog dot body, and here we need to pass the date of created, or means created means published date or update date. Okay, so I am passing the blog dot created date. I need to check this because I made this more typo on this field. So created date. Okay, done. So we are done with this. So now that we don't need this button here, so now we can check this. Okay, so when we are here, we are clicking this, you can see the content and all things are shown up. You can see. So we can enter the things like in this jumbotron. So hello world, okay, and the text. Okay, so I am saving this and just displaying in the outside. You can see hello world, and we can see that December for 2020, and this is simple hero unit. So that's our project. So here our project is done. So this is basics overview of the Django. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. So in the next video you can comment in my comment section that what I need to cover. One is the Monster and second is the Django Advanced. So please comment